Everyone, it's Ronnie and I'm here with another 2-Minute Tuesday. Did you know that with the menus feature, you can create recurring recipes on your meal planner? So rather than being able to mark your recipes as a recurring recipe every week or every month, you can use the menus feature to create a template for all of your recurring recipes. So all you need to do is go in and create a new menu. And then you can add all of your default recipes, notes, and ingredients to that menu. And you can do this on either a weekly or monthly basis. This menu is going to serve as your template, and then you will add it to your meal planner at the beginning of your meal planning. After you've added this menu to your meal planner, then you can plan around all of these defaults and standard things that you normally have in your meal plan and fill in the rest of the time with whatever else is applicable for that week or month. In general, using this method to meal planning is going to cut down on your meal planning time drastically, and it is going to save you from remembering all of these defaults and recurring items that you want to have in your meal plan. If you have any questions about menus, there are 2 help articles linked in below because menus is available on both desktop and the app. And you can also email us at help@plantit.com with any additional questions you have. See you next time.